Next up, the Beach Villa storage key. This is yet again super expensive, and it's on the value map all the way down here by Beach Villa in this main building. Let's go ahead and head there. Just a quick note that this place is super angry. There's tons of bots, sometimes a boss, and usually lots and lots of players, especially if you're playing on lockdown or harder game modes. Be aware of rats too. What we'll need to do is head all the way across to the central building over here, then downstairs. Of course, you can use the key upstairs and come down here, where you should find this door over here. This is the one that we need to open, and inside of here, we should usually find some pretty good loot. So, what do we have? Well, we have a safe over here, as well as usually some relatively good loose loot like around the place, and a weapons box over here. So in the weapon crate, we find nothing too crazy, and in this bag over here by the entrance, okay loot, and finally the safe over here, which is just a normal safe. We have hopefully something good. It's okay stuff. Anyways, that's really it. It's a super dangerous place to come to. This key is okay, but the key upstairs here and the free safe over here is usually more than worthwhile coming to find out what's inside them. Anyways, hopefully you have good luck. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.